world of racing, data is a critical part of success. Race car driver Max uses data to analyze his performance and determine where to improve. And that's where descriptive statistics come in for the win. Descriptive statistics summarize the important features of a dataset and explain data distribution at a glance. Max and his team gather a lot of data about his driving at every race. They collect information about his lap times, speeds, tire wear, and fuel consumption. Using descriptive statistics, they gain a better understanding of how Max performs during races, which helps them identify areas of improvement. Descriptive statistics use numbers to characterize a given dataset, such as Max's lap times, speeds, and performance during every race. For example, the team can use measures like average lap time. After each lap, Max's team records his time. At the end of the race, the team uses the number of laps he completed and each lap time to determine the average. Comparing his average lap time with his historical lap times from previous runs at the track gives the team an idea of how fast Max is and how much faster he needs to be to win. Max's team also uses standard deviation to see how consistent his driving is throughout the race. Standard deviation measures how spread out a set of data is from its average. It shows how much the individual data points in a group, in this case lap times, vary from the average. By looking at the standard deviation of his lap times, Max can get a sense of his consistency while driving. Descriptive data uses quantitative or numerical data. Sometimes, descriptive data is displayed in graphs instead of numbers, conveying the same information but in a more visually appealing way. Descriptive statistics can help Max and his team compare groups of numbers and see if they are different or similar. For example, they could use descriptive statistics to compare Max's performance to other drivers to see where he needs to improve. By comparing Max's average lap times with his competitors, the team can get a sense of where Max can make adjustments. This descriptive summary helps his team understand the data better. With descriptive statistics, there are no assumptions or inferences. It does not infer or predict Max's chances of winning based on his current performance. It strictly looks at the sample data set in question and summarizes it. In other words, it just gives him the characteristics of the data set collected. Descriptive statistics gives Max's team a powerful tool to better understand his performance as a race car driver. Then the team can make data-driven decisions to improve Max's driving and, ultimately, win more races.